Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting issues. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So Bluetooth problems are common but easy to fix with the right steps. Whether it's not pairing, disconnecting, or not finding devices, you just have to follow this checklist. First, you need to restart both devices. Restart your phone, tablet, and Bluetooth device. This clears temporary glitches and resets connection. Number two, turn Bluetooth off and on again. Swipe down, go to your settings, and then scroll down here, tap on Bluetooth. Now what you're going to do is you have to simply tap on and off. You have to wait for 5 seconds and then turn it on again or turn it off again. Now, step 3, you need to forget and repair the device. So what you're going to do is you have to go to your settings and then you have to go to connected devices if there is. Step 4, you can clear Bluetooth cache. So all you have to do is open settings and then go to the application. Okay, scroll down here, go to application. Okay, so here what you're going to do is you have to tap on app list. You will see these two dots, click this one, tap on show system apps. And then after that, you can now find Bluetooth or Bluetooth share. If you have this or if you have installed this one, tap this one right here and then tap on storage usage and then tap on clear cache. Now, next thing to do here, step 5, we need to ensure the device is in pairing mode. Many Bluetooth devices time out from pairing mode, so re-enable pairing mode usually by holding a button until a light blinks. And then lastly, check Bluetooth permission. So this one you have to go to settings and then again you have to look for privacy and then permission manager if there is, or basically just go to application. Then lastly, check distance and preferences. Stay within 3 to 10 feet during pairing. Avoid metal objects, microwaves, or Wi-Fi routers nearby. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.